Hey everyone, in today's video I'm painting a Venom bust, but before we dive into the painting, I'll show you how I tackled a common issue, the big gaps between model parts. This time, instead of using filler, which is hard to sand smoothly, I tried something different: hot glue. The hot glue gun's nozzle is super handy for filling gaps, and it made the process much easier. After gluing and priming, I'm really happy with the results. The gaps are completely hidden. Now let's start painting. Since I used a black primer but want a glossy finish, I'm applying Decal-Fix. Once it dries, the black will have a nice shine. Looks great so far. Moving on to the spider symbol, I'm using cold gray to paint all around. While that dries, let's paint Venom's eyes using plain white. Next up is the mouth. I'm starting with Glory Red for the gums. Then painting the teeth in white. but since Venom wouldn't have perfectly clean teeth, I'm adding a sepia shade to give them a bit of a worn look. Now for my favorite part, adding a black Washington to the spider and mouth to create shadows and depth. For the tongue, I'm going with Scarlet Blood. Moving on to the base, there's nothing too special here, so feel free to just watch as I finish it up. Now it's time to glue on the soleil with hot glue. And I had an idea to add some extra life to the model using hot glue to create drool for a realistic effect. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed watching this process as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thanks for tuning in.